Welcome to Best For You. Are you ready to discover the best dryers that will make your life easier and dry your clothes perfectly? Today, we'll introduce you to the top models known for their fast and efficient drying features. You won't have to hang your clothes and wait for long anymore. With these machines, you'll be able to dry your laundry quickly and save time. Moreover, these machines, which are also known for their energy efficiency, will provide you with advantages both in terms of time and cost. Don't forget to check the link in the description for more information and purchase options. With the best dryers, dry your clothes flawlessly and make your life easier. GE Profile PFQ97HSPVDS. First off, it offers a full-functioning washer and dryer combo, so you can tackle both your washing and drying needs with just one appliance. With 12 different wash cycles, it provides options for tackling all sorts of dirt and stains. And thanks to its fast airflow drying system, it dries your laundry quickly and effectively. The ventless heat pump drying feature ensures energy efficiency, making the drying process more effective and saving you time and energy. Designed to easily fit into compact spaces, its compact size makes it a perfect choice for your home or a small laundry room environment. GE's 4.0 cubic feet washer and dryer combo is a user-friendly appliance equipped with all the essential features. It's designed with the user experience in mind in every detail. For more information and to purchase, click the link. Trust GE for a convenient and effective laundry experience. 2. COMFEE 24 washer and dryer combo. COMFEE's 2.7 cubic feet washer and dryer combo is designed to make your household chores a breeze. This white beauty offers the ability to wash and dry in a single cycle, saving you time and energy. The steam care feature passes steam through your fabrics for 30 minutes, removing dust, wrinkles, and odors while caring for your health. With the overnight wash and dry option, you can wash and dry your laundry in one cycle, ensuring dry and clean clothes the next day. With dimensions of 23.4 x 25.2 x 33.5, this space-saving combo device has a 26 lbs washing and 13 lbs drying capacity. Plus, don't forget to remove the transportation bolts for smooth operation. Experience easy and efficient cleaning with COMFEE's washer and dryer combo today. Also, the white version of this product is approximately $200 cheaper, and you can find the link in the description below. 3. AQUITER version 2 Pro 24. AQUITER's 1.6 cubic feet washer and dryer combo is the ultimate space-saving solution for your laundry needs. This sleek white unit combines the power of a washer and dryer into one compact machine, perfect for maximizing floor space in your home. With its quiet cycle and convertible venting condensing drying options, you can enjoy efficient and hassle-free laundry days. The color-coded LED display and redesigned control panel make it easy to use, while the smart sensors automatically select the perfect amount of water for each wash, saving you time and effort. Plus, with the delay start function, you can customize your wash cycle and begin up to 24 hours later for maximum convenience. And don't forget about the winter ice feature, specially designed for RV use. Before installation, remember to remove the shipping rods to prevent any dancing during operation. And for best performance, use HE detergent and ensure the machine is properly leveled to avoid leaks. 4. RCA RWD270. First off, it's a space-saving marvel, combining both washer and dryer functionalities into one compact unit. With its front-loading design and 2.7 cubic feet capacity, it's the largest in its class, providing ample space for your laundry needs. The top LED digital display offers easy customization with 5 temperature options, 16 washing cycles, and 4 drying options. Thanks to its delay start option, you can program your wash to start at a convenient time, fitting seamlessly into your busy schedule. And let's talk about noise level. Operating at less than 60 dB during wash and dry cycles, it's perfect for families with varying schedules, babies, and older individuals who appreciate a quieter environment. In summary, the RCA washer and dryer combo is efficient, programmable, and whisper quiet, making laundry day a breeze. Ready to upgrade your laundry experience? Click the link in the description to get yours today.